Okay. Shield Rose and I are crossing the bridge. We're crossing. Ay, ba't hawak-hawak mo pa yun?
No, okay lang. Paano ka pa makakahawak?
Jurassic Park mode. Sarap, di ba? Ng Little Adventure. Pero talagang umuuga, kaya nga yung kailangan babae ka man, lalaki na matatakotin kapag nagko-cross ng ganito, lakasan mo lang loob mo para mag-enjoy ka. You need to train yourself and reward yourself with bravery para may simple things na na-accomplish. Kasi nga, ang buhay ay sumasaya in little things, hindi big things, little things. Na magiging faithful ka. Tama si Rose, takot na takot siya pero tinapangan niya yung loob niya. Kaya she's trying to reward herself and level up. Diba? Yan yung sinasabi natin. So she's a good example. Very good example. Yung video games, 360 na naman tayo para makita nyo, para ma-enjoy nyo itong place. Pico del Oro, Batangas. One step at a time. Cecile Rose, so proud of you. Okay, boom! Panis. Ito siya namin. Ang aming Jurassic Bridge Adventure.